So if you're wondering what a brand new versus a old brake pad looks like, so here is some brand new brake pads. You can see how thick they are, and these are all brand new. But if you measure your old the brake pads in the car, they're about half this thickness. You're getting pretty close to needing to replace them. You can see here you have this gauge. You can measure the pads. If all that's left is about 2 to 3 millimeters on the pad material, then it definitely has to be replaced. But between 4 and 6, you're getting close, and this is where you really need to plan on replacing those brake pads. And then this is what it will be like, when it's the new pad. And typically this should be the lifespan of the pad. This green part, this is just the warning period, and never leave it past this point.